Welcome to Let's Cook. Are you in the mood for a holiday treat you can bring to parties that's different, that is really quick and easy to make, and that's actually good for you? Oh, well great, you're in luck, because I've got the thing for you. The other night, I invented dark chocolate covered apple slices. I got a little creative. First, you take your chocolate. It depends on what level of chocolate you like. I did, crazy as it sounds, 100% dark chocolate because that mixed with the sweetness of the apple was enough for me, and then I used a little monk fruit sugar to top it off. But you could do 85%, 70%. Just remember, the less percentage of chocolate it is, the more sugar there is. So something to keep in mind. My ingredients were apples, cinnamon, coconut flakes, grass-fed butter, and chocolate, and monk fruit sugar as an option if you want. First thing I did was melt the dark chocolate and the grass-fed butter in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds, then I stirred it. Next, I dipped the apples in the chocolate and covered them. Then I put them on a greased cookie sheet. I sprinkled them with cinnamon and coconut flakes, and I broiled them in the oven for 5 minutes. That's it. Then I let them cool, and I ate them. And then for a fun addition, I added Himalayan salt to the top, and it became the perfect sweet and salty little treat. So I hope you make them, I hope you enjoy, and let me know if you like them.